We are going to do another review for another set of headphones today. And these ones are, I might get to pronounce these wrong. MAIRDI. These are the M100 bone conduction Bluetooth headphones. Right now, 12 reviews, 5 stars. That's good. And one of the things I have noticed that this year we've reviewed more bone conduction headphones for sure than we have in the past. And I will say that for the majority, they are considerably better than I have noticed in the past. So these ones here, just so you guys see, open ear headphones are our premium line of bone conduction, completely reimagined. Awesome. Designed specifically for the work from home and sports experience, from office to exercise, to add fun and variety to your routine. Now, the one thing I do notice is it does have this, it looks like maybe it's a Bluetooth module. So if you don't have maybe Bluetooth already, IP67, cool. 8 hours of battery life, Bluetooth 5.1, noise canceling, IP67, hands-free calling, multi-point. And here's that work from home, which is cool. And again, they do have this dongle that would go in there. Again, maybe you don't have Bluetooth on your computer. I guess that's a possibility. Is that, do people not have Bluetooth? They do have a gray module or model. I like the gray one. The gray one's kind of slick. They do seem a little chunkier than some of the ones we've reviewed in the past. But if they sound better because they're a bit chunkier, I'm okay. Right? Experience best-in-class audio. Enhanced bass, awesome. Ultra lightweight definition. I don't even know what that means. Lightweight definition. 30 grams. All right. Optimize office experience. And this looks not right. You see this here? Does that? Huh. Intuitive design and easy controls. Yeah. 8-hour battery life. I'm with you. You guys can read the rest. Anyways, you can get them on their own website, just so you guys know, or you can get them on Amazon. So they do have a whole bunch of different kind of headphones depending on what your needs are. So I'll put links to those down below. Very cool. And we'll take a look at the box and try them out. Okay, so here is the box. MAIRDI. Wireless bone conduction headphones. There it is, and there's some specs there. I guess I have the black version, just because it says right there black. Yes, and that's kind of it. That's kind of all, and that's fine, right? No one's complaining. There might be somebody complaining. It wouldn't surprise me one bit. Okay, so you get a box in a box. Yes. Wireless bone conduction. Okay. Okay, what do we get here? Dear customer, thank you very much for purchasing from us. If you have any questions or problems, please contact this right hither. Yes, cool. We get an accessory box. It's got a little bit of weight to it. That's all right. Oh, it feels like there's some stuff in here for sure. What is in here? Okay. So it does look like you get a little brown bag. That's nice. I'll take it. That's all right. I'll take a little bag. I like when people send that. You get a little manual. Very cool. It's definitely large enough, legible. Yes, good. What is this? A quick user guide. How to power on, how to pair. Okay, 2 languages only, just so you guys know. There you go. Fantastic. Look how long the USB is. You know how I always complain about that, right? I'm always like, why are they giving me a USB cable that's this long? No, look at that. Excellent, thank you. And these, I do find a lot of places do this. They give you, that do bone conduction, they give you earplugs because you're not hearing through your ear holes anyway, right? So you get earplugs to pop in there. Now I have really good earplugs because I wear them when I'm riding my motorcycle, but that's a nice little add-on. That's cool. And then you get these. Yes. And that's it. Okay. That's cool. They, like I said, they do seem a little chunkier, just a little bit. And there's going to be your USB port, right? There's going to be, I'm guessing that's your volume up, down, power, something like that. Anything on the sides, tops? No, it's all kind of done through there. But I'm guessing that would have like a bit of a seal on it, possibly, right? Yes? Yeah, there it is right there, USB-C, with a bit of a seal. That goes in there. All right. And then this, let's get my phone. Let's get my phone. We'll get the Bluetooth rocking here. Yes? Okay, Bluetooth, we'll put it there right to the bottom. I'm gonna put these on, just realize where the button is. Okay, they fit good actually, at least for my size of head, because I do find some of them, they're a little bit big back here, but nope, that's all right. And then which side is it? It's on this side, which equates to them being there, maybe, I think. It's the only button, yes? Pretty sure that's the only button? No? Yes? That is the other possibility that well, the two possibilities are that I'm pushing. See, this is the button I'm pushing right here. But now I realize there's this button over here, which I don't know which button I'm supposed to be pushing. I was pushing. Okay, hold on. There's a button way back here. Yes. Hold on. Let's see if anything happens. I think this one would be like the volume button. To be honest with you, this would be there. It is. There it is. This would be power button. But I have a feeling these are powerless right now. So let's give them a charge. Yes, we'll charge them for like, I don't know, 20 minutes, and then we'll continue on. All right, hold on. Okay, my friends, back. It's been about an hour. So we are hoping that these have charged. Again, I should probably read the manual, but it's one of the two buttons. One of the two buttons would be my guess. So this time, we're trying. I don't think there's any other hidden buttons. One button there, one button on the front or back or somewhere. Where is it? It's one of those you have to put it on to kind of figure out where it is, you know? But it was there. I know it was there. There it is. There it is. Right there. So, volume button's one hand. Power button, my guess, is the other hand. Okay, so this goes there. Yes, right? They don't, in the photos, I found that they looked bulkier. Not necessarily that they were, but they definitely had that look. But when they're on, they're not bad. So I'm just going to put that right there. And let's see where that was here. Let's see. Also, maybe reading the instructions are better. So long press the plus button, which is back here. Now I don't know if it's, I'm guessing it's the I would think it would be the kind of the forward-ish button. We'll find out. Let's see. Maybe there's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there it goes. And you'll see it showed like right up instantly. Very cool. And then it says after the power on, the headset will go into pairing mode, blue and light red. But if it doesn't, my guess is maybe you could hit this other one. This one on this headset here, they consider the multi-function button. So let's just see what it does. We'll click. Oh, so it's doing like it's playing music right now. If I hit it again, so this one would be what you would use for playing and pausing, and my guess would be like fast forwarding or whatever. And then of course on this side you have your volume. So as you can see, volume up, volume down, right? Okay. So first off, they are playing, right? They are playing music here. And I am always just surprised. Now, of course, they're never going to be quite as bassy as like traditional earbuds because it's really just based off of like vibration, right? But, you know, if you were someone that wanted to just be like walking around, you're going for a walk, you're going to the gym, whatever it is, right? Then I would say that comfort-wise, and bone conduction headphones are actually really quite comfortable, you know? And just realize you got that one button there for play pause. Yeah, that's good. And again, it's pretty fast reaction, right? And again, I would have to say that the sound quality is considerably better than what bone conduction headphones have been, for sure. Again, are they up to the level of traditional earbuds or headphones? No. But the big bonus of something like this, well, two big bonuses really. Number one is the fact that since nothing is in your ears, you have that great ability to really hear everything that's going on around you. So again, if you're outside exercising, walking, doing yard work, whatever, you can still hear stuff, right? You can still hear everything else. And that's the other thing, that I think that's the reason that they give you like the earplugs. So if you are, let's say you are wearing something like this, and you do want to really take away that additional sound, then you'd wear the earplugs and then put these on so that you get just better sound. Don't wear these, of course, if you want to be able to hear everything around you. Secondly, there's a lot of people that I know that just don't like things in their ears, right? And as much as you could go to a better sounding experience with like over-ear headphones, let's admit it, if you're going to be working out with over-ear headphones, they are ridiculously sweaty. They get hot, which I don't like. I like wearing over-ear headphones when I'm working, editing, things like that, because they're comfortable. I can wear them for long periods of time. But I could also wear these for a long period of time. Is the sound going to be better on like over-ear headphones? Yeah, for sure. But are there people or scenarios that you're not going to wear that? Yeah, for sure, right? Just because, again, they get warm, especially if you're working out or doing something like that. So I do see a place for bone conduction, and I do think that they sound decent. You know, as good as bone conductions can be at this point in time, right? So yeah, I think they're all right. Bass is decent. It's not going to be over the top, but bass is decent. Mids and highs are decent. And they're comfortable. Charge fast. Yeah, read the manual and you should be good. All right, guys, I'm going to put links down below to their website, as well as I'll put links to their Amazon store, and you guys can take a look around there and see what you think. All right, my friends, that's it for me today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you fine folks tomorrow. Later.